I told you that you could create stunning AI-generated videos without paying a fortune for expensive tools? In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful AI platform that gives you free credits every day and lets you create videos from simple text prompts, generate images, transform existing images, and even work with audio. And the best part? We're going to test its video generation features together, step by step, so you can see exactly what you can create for free. Let's get started.
First, we're going to head over to this website. I'll leave the link for you in the video description. This is the platform I want to share with you today. We'll click here to sign up with Google, just as you can see on the screen. Once you log in, you'll receive 500 credits, and these credits are refreshed every day. The platform includes a variety of tools specifically designed for video creation. You can take advantage of several of these tools for free. There are also tools dedicated to image generation, including the ability to create an image from text or transform one image into another. And there are audio tools as well. For example, you can generate new audio or modify your existing audio. But for today's tutorial, we're going to focus on the video section. So let's go to Video and then select Text to Video, just like this. As you can see, I'm going to click on Text to Video, which allows us to transform a simple text prompt into a video. You'll also find videos that other users have created with this platform. For example, if we wanted to create something similar to this video, we could use it as inspiration and create our own version. And yes, you can use Seedance for free. Yes, you heard that correctly, for free. If you want me to make a full tutorial explaining exactly how to use Seedance for free, let me know in the comments. The first tools are available for free, while the remaining tools require payment. However, there are some methods that may allow you to access certain features without paying. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comments and I'll make a separate tutorial explaining the process. Now, let's say we want to create a video similar to this one. I'm going to click on Generate. As you can see here, we have the prompt used to generate this video. We can also choose the video dimensions from here. For example, we can select the appropriate aspect ratio depending on the type of content we want to create. We can also choose the duration of the video. I'm going to select around 5 or 6 seconds, although there are longer options available. You can even generate videos of up to 30 seconds, but keep in mind that longer videos require more credits. For this example, I'm going to select the free Minimax model. Then I'll choose the settings that work best for our project, and now we simply have to wait for the result. And there we have it. As you can see, this is the result we were able to create completely for free. And honestly, you can create some really impressive AI-generated videos using this tool without having to spend money. If you want to download the video, simply click on this arrow and the video will be downloaded directly to your device. Now let's go back to the template section, but this time instead of using an existing template, we're going to create our own video using a prompt that I prepared earlier. I'm going to copy the prompt like this. Then I'll return to the tool and paste it into the prompt field. For now, I'll keep all the settings as they are. However, I may change the video dimensions and switch to a landscape format, depending on the type of content we want to create. Once everything is ready, I'll simply click on Generate and wait for the result. And now let's take a look at the final result.
Welcome, Passams to Moon. Hi, Moon. Behind me is our Lunar Surf spacecraft.
As you can see, this is the video we created. This time, we generated it in landscape format, making it suitable for platforms such as YouTube. And take a look at the quality of the video. The camera movement is really impressive, especially the way the camera angle changes throughout the scene. For an AI-generated video created with a free tool, the result is definitely worth trying. And, just like before, if you want to download the video, simply click on this arrow and it will be saved directly to your device. So this is the AI tool I wanted to share with you today. As I mentioned earlier, if you want me to show you how to use Seedance 2.0 for free, let me know in the comments. Just write Seedance in the comments, and if I see enough people interested, I'll create a complete tutorial showing you how to generate AI videos using Seedance through this platform, even though the model itself is normally part of the paid tools. And that's everything for today's video. I hope you found this tool useful, and if this tutorial gave you some new ideas for creating professional AI-generated videos. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next free AI tutorials, tools, and practical guides. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Would you like me to make a full tutorial on how to use Seedance 2.0 for free? Write Seedance in the comments if you want that tutorial.
Don't forget to leave a like if you found this video helpful. Your support really motivates me to continue creating more tutorials and discovering new AI tools for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.